Hi friends, now we are solving a problem on vector differential calculus. The given problem is curl of a vector v of x comma y comma z is equal to 2x square I plus 3z square j plus y cube k at x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1 is option A is 3i, option B is minus 3i, option C is 2i, option D is minus 2i. Friends, this problem came in a GATE 2015. Right. Now what we have to find? Curl of a vector. Are they given a vector? Yes, they are given a vector directly. Now, where we require to find at one point. What is the point here? X is equal to y is equal to z. They are given nothing but x value 1, y value 1, z value 1. Right. What is the definition of curl? We actually curl f bar. How we are denoting? We are denoting with del cross f bar, and we are defined as I, the determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now here what you have to write? Actually what you have written here? I quotient in del, j quotient in del, k quotient in del. Next what we have to write? In f bar, I quotient. F bar is nothing but what you have here? Vector v. So you can say this is del. Actually f bar is nothing but here f1, f2, f3. We have to write f1i plus f2j plus f3k. But they are given v bar. What they are given v bar? V bar is equal to 2x square I plus 3z square j plus y cube k. Now you substitute in place of this. f1 is nothing but 2x square I plus f2 is nothing but here 3z square, not I, only I quotients we are taking. f2 is nothing but 3z square, f3 is nothing but y cube. Substitute here, then what you are getting, you see, curl v bar is equal to del cross v bar is equal to I, j, k. Now I quotient in dou by I quotient in del, that is dou by dou x, j quotient in del, dou by dou y, k quotient in del, dou by dou z. In v bar, I quotient is what I have? 2x square. J quotient is what I have? 3z square. K quotient is y cube. Now find the determinant for this. What you are getting, you see? I times of, with respect to y you have to do. Yes, this is a function of y, so y cube derivative is 3y square. Minus, with respect to z, it is a function of z, so you can say 6z. Z square derivative is 2z into 3, that is nothing but 6z. Minus j into, with respect to x, it is a function of x? No, it is independent of x, so you can say the derivative is 0. Minus, with respect to z, is there any z term? No, you can say it is independent of z, the derivative is 0. Plus k times of, with respect to x, is there any x term? No, so this is 0. Here also with respect to y, 0. So what you are getting, the answer is I times of 3y square minus 6z. This is which value? Curl v bar value. But what you required actually? Curl v bar at x is equal, y is equal, z is equal 1. Nothing but x is equal to y is equal to z is equal 1 is nothing but the point is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now curl v bar at 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to I into, here 3 in place of y, 1 y square is nothing but 3 only, minus 6z is nothing but 6. So what is the answer here? You have minus 3i. Verify which option is the correct option. Minus 3i is B. Okay, so the option B is correct.